Everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to export a video in Google Earth Engine. So let's get started. So I will show you how to export an image collection and create a video and exporting the video to your Google Drive. So let's get started. So first you need to import your image collection or the satellite data into Google Earth Engine. For that we have defined a variable called Landsat collection equals to image collection. So this is specific code we are going to import our Landsat 8 satellite image. So it is a Landsat 8 collection 1 tier 1 top of the atmosphere. So now let us spatial filter our Landsat data. So with a specific path and row, that is 170 and row of 52. So we are using dot filter, dot filter EQ. WRS path refers to, that is a 150, path number 150. And similarly the filter dot filter dot filter EQ and with a specific row number, that is 52. So next is to filter by cloud scenes. So most of the satellite images are that is of cloud contaminated. So in order to avoid that, we define a dot filter dot filter LT. If cloud cover refers to our cloud contamination, the cloud cover in our imagery. This is to access our metadata. So we're using it, and with the specifically we are saying with cloud contamination lesser than 20%. So next is we're going to get a four years of imagery. So we are using a temporal filter. So to for from 2014 to 2017. So we have specified our temporal filter from 2014 to 2017. That is defined by dot filter date 2014 1 1 and to 2017 December 31st. So next is we're going to need select the three bands for from the Landsat 8 imagery for exporting our video. So we are specifically selecting three bands from Landsat 8 image, that is band 4, band 3 and band 2. So to specifically select these bands, we are using dot select band 4, band 3 and band 2. So next is we're going to we need to make this data as a 8-bit data. So in order to convert it to an 8-bit data, we're using map function image. So we are using specifically this function, this code, in order to make this data as an 8-bit data. So we are using map function image curly bracket, open curly bracket, return image dot multiplying 512 dot uint8. So next is we're going to create a region of interest in order to subset our satellite image. So for that, that is from a large scale satellite image, we are selecting only a particular region of interest. So for that, in order to create our region of interest, we define a variable called region equals to dot geometry rectangle. So it is will be in a rectangular shape, and these are the coordinates for that coordinates. And to add this layer, map dot we defined as a map dot add layer region, that is our region of interest, and curly bracket refers to a default visualization parameter and output as a region. And next is to center of an object and set to a particular zoom level, we defined as a map center object and referring to region with a zoom level of 10. So the region refers to this variable, the region, our region of interest, that is our rectangle. So with the specific coordinates. So next is we're going to export, that is to change the dimension or to scale for a higher quality video. We define we're going to export to our drive. So we're going to export and the change the dimension or the quality of the video. So before that, let me show you this. Let me run this. So go to this option called run script. So you can able to view that this is our region of interest. Let me show you that. So this is our rectangular region of interest. So that is we are defined here. So this is our study area. So using this, we're going to create the image time series video. So now to export our video to our drive, we defined. So to export our time series video to our Google Drive, we have defined export.video.to drive. So this particular algorithm converts our it's save our video to our drive. So collection here refers to Landsat collection, that is our variable Landsat collection, that is Landsat 8 image, and description the Lake Tana video to drive, that is to our there is a there is a description for our Google file, that is to our drive, and a dimension of this video, that is quality, that is 720, and we will define this frames per second is 12, and the region is region. So that is our study area variable region. This one, this one, and next is to export our video to a cloud storage, and also you can change the dimension or the quality of the content, that is our video. So to export our video to cloud storage, we defined. So to export our time series video to cloud storage, we define export dot video dot to cloud storage. So this specific algorithm that exports our video to our cloud storage. And collection, it refers to a Landsat collection. That is our Landsat 8 satellite image. So we define variable Landsat collection. And similarly, description we are giving as Lake Tana video to our Google Drive. So description is our Lake Tana time series video to cloud, and with the bucket is for test, and dimension is that is a quality, that is 720, and frames per second is 12, and region is region, that is our study area, this one. And whenever you are exporting your video to your cloud storage, that is to your cloud storage, you have to define the bucket. The bucket I have defined as a test. Make sure that you define bucket is test when you're exporting your video to cloud. That is our cloud storage. So now, let me run this code. What is the option called? So let me run this code. Go to this option called run script. Click run. So now we can able to view our result. So now you can able to view our result in the task section of Google Earth Engine. So here, task. So now you can able to see that the submitted task is to export our video to our drive and to export our video, that is our time series video, to the cloud. So now to export your video to a drive and to a cloud storage, go to the option called run, click run. So now you can able to view that this is a word to export to our Google Drive. So we have coordinate reference, dimension, and 720 frames is 12 to our drive, and click run. So now to export to our cloud storage, go to the option called run, click run. So after that we have a coordinate reference system specific similar to the previous one. So except we have our cloud storage with GESC bucket name is test. So run. So now we can able to view that is loading. It is exporting our time series video to our Google Drive. So now you can able to view that. So Lake Tana time series video has been exported to our drive. But unfortunately, the Lake Tana time series video is not been exported to our cloud storage. So now you can able to access your time series video in your Google Drive. So now you can able to view that this is the exported video that is available. So let me. So this is our exported video that is available in your in your drive. So now let me play this. So now you can able to view that the time series, the different changes in that is observed that is observed from 2014 to 2017 of Landsat 8 image. So you can access this video through your Google Drive. So that is available in this section. So video to our drive. So open in drive. Now the video will be available here. You can play this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.